Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to send images in Gmail. So there are a few ways I'm going to show you that you can do that. So to start with, you want to navigate to your Gmail account and click on Compose and start to write your new message. So add in the email address of who you're sending the photo to, subject and a bit of text. When you've done that, you can add your images. So the first way you can do that is by clicking on the insert photo icon. So this will take you to your Google Photos. So if you've got something there you want to send, this is the way to do it. So you click on there, you're going to click on the photo and click on insert. So that's going to add that to your email. So from there you can make it a little bit smaller or bigger, edit it a little bit. The other way you can send images in Gmail is by clicking on the file icon, so attach files. So if you've got the image saved on your computer, you can click on there and click onto your computer, find where the photo is, click on it and click open, and that will add it as a file attached to the email. And when you're ready, you can click on send. So that's how to send images in Gmail. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.